Right, council tax is we all know it's a fraud.
As soon as we start getting numbers and people realise the game is up, we've got the remedy here. Come and use it. That's our invite to you. The sooner we can do this, the sooner it's done. The sooner we can get on with our lives and we can have a beautiful existence on this planet.
This is it. This is where we've got them. So everybody starts doing this, and we start getting everybody together. And like we said, there's a lot of things going off behind the scenes. There's a lot of documentation going off. And Paul can tell you, I'm not stopping. I've now got mortgages, speeding, parking fines. We've got everything on the go. And I mean everything. And we're all singing from the same hymn sheet now. It is an illegal conversion from you, Justin Rem, into the personam. Legal fiction to access your trust, to conduct trust fraud and theft. The documents are already there. They're on the site for you guys. They're easy to fill in. They're easy to administer. Your council tax is a thing of the past. They have now reformed you into the lowest of the low by illegal conversion of your true standing creditor just in rem sovereign man. The process is simple, straightforward, and cannot be beaten. You are under an obligation. The judge does not have the correct oath or bonds. He cannot issue a liability order, as they were removed from law in 2003. We all know this, 1st of October, but they're ignoring these facts. So what we've got now is we've devised a method straight away to literally put them on notice. Straight away, we're not messing about, we're not this, we're not that, this is you, we will do ABC. You are now under pre-action protocol, you continue. All documentation from the state is in personam, which is you. It's your legal personam, which is your fiction. It is not you. You are the inhabitant of your home. You are not the resident. As to the resident, the new documentations now use section 78, 2 and 3 of the Local Governments Act 1888, and it also uses section 79, 2, 3 and 1, which now compels them to give you all and pay for all your liabilities and duties as to their rules. It's a fabulous document, absolutely fabulous, and they can't get out of it. Because now what you do is you issue that to the Chancery Division and get them to stamp it, because you've now declared yourself as the #1 creditor. Okay, so this is where we've got to be with you. We've got to make sure that you understand the just in rem, which brings you back under your creditor sovereign status. It brings you back in to claim all of your inalienable rights, which they don't want you to know, because they've altered your constitutional rights, removed them, because they've now attempted to remove your crown. And your crown is the imperial crown of authority over everybody, including the king. Casticulation fraud, by claiming that they have rights over your trust, even though you are living. So this is not just about council tax, because council tax, we've got the documents, it literally terrifies them. That no bar guild SRA agent can deal with a just in rem without contract knowingly, willingly signed. Therefore, they cannot contract you at all, ever. Therefore, they've just committed fraud, nor can any bailiff. But what you've got to remember is this: they are changing you by fraud from the man of flesh and blood that was given life as to the Holy Gospel by the breath of God. Look up that quote, because that's in all my documentations, to prove life. Once you prove living status, they're screwed. Absolutely screwed. And this is what they fear most, that you cotton on to the conversion. Right, thank you very much for your criminality. We've now registered this and will be registering it with the equity courts, Chancery Division, to now claim fraud has happened against me by the illegal conversion of my just in rem status to the quasin, for fraud upon my trust. And as to the section that Paul's just read out for you, it is now my claim in equity to claim that the council now pay all of my duties and liabilities. Now, what does that mean? Your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, it's already paid through the council. That's why they pay it in 5-year blocks. We all know it. We just can't prove it. Well, now I've just proved it. Because they enter your trust to pay it. And they want you to pay your money as a quasi double bookkeeping ledgering fraud.